see, I ain't even got no frames on. Everything authentic right now. You know what I mean? We going bare knuckle. You know what I mean? All black on right now. Headed to the airport. To, you know, the little parking fly. And I'll be back at y'all. Yeah, man, like I was saying, man, before I was rudely interrupted by a good judgment of safety, man. I was riding on that E-way. Trying to tell y'all we headed back to the D, you know what I mean? So, that's exactly where we at. We're finna do a little different this time. Well, we talking about that Skyami, you know? Yeah. Gonna do a little different on here, man. Gonna do that 305 MIA on the side because it got spooky trying to get here. Definitely at the pause the freaky right. Got the smoke.
Attention military personnel, active duty, dependents, veterans, and NATO partners. This is Chuck Gator. We thank you for your service and invite you to visit the Golden Center Military Lounge created exclusively for you, located near Gate D17. The Freedom Center is open 365 days a year from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. and for
blend in with regular people, man.
Attention please, the flight kindly paging passenger, Mr. Junger Furness. Once again, passenger Mr. Junger
Mr. MLTV. Before I plug the mic so I can really get it to you. Where else you gonna get it from? And I might tap in. Put the tune in. See what gate. Okay. Walk past my gate, I'm so high. Sure. Let me make sure this marked gate. Two more.
It's the first Spade.
the top one, yeah. Yeah, I got you.
Yeah, so this one is carry-on size. So what you can do if you want to take it to carry-on, I can switch your check for carry-on and check for
Careful out here when you moving and grooving. Always ask questions, man. Always ask questions, man. You don't ask, you don't know. Sure. But I'm gonna tap back in, man, as it go on. You know, it depends on how I'm feeling. And we're gonna get it popping like that on that type of time, though. I don't know goofy. We're gonna come out on some real grown man time. Black on, you know, regular little running shoes, backpack. And you can get it popping on some real grown man time, man. I'm gonna be back at y'all. You know, excuse the beard, I had to dumb it down. You know what I mean? I just want to, you know, let my eyes feast on a little bit of that, let me show y'all a little bit of that. That's in Miami, Florida, right? See, some of y'all be looking at the wrong things, you know what I mean? All y'all need to be worried about, bro, is that that's a Detroit to Miami. You know, when the time is full, Almost 4 o'clock.
This will be a final boarding
Michigan
call.
time.
Flight 2037 with
did.
services to Dallas Fort Worth. Here at AD31.
And that's what we doing, man. We doing it like that. And it wasn't no big hassle. It was.
T31 for an on-time
turned out.
departure. Again, American Flight 2037. Services to Dallas Fort Worth.
I'm gonna
Here
tell
at
back
AD31.
in. I'm back at the. I'm back at the airport. Don't worry about who I'm flying with. Don't worry about what I'm doing. But there's no flying out of D10. If you that knows. And we hit today. We hitting that 305 MIAO. You know what I mean? 305 MIAO already.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you're traveling with a backpack, please put the backpacks underneath the seat in front of you. This is a completely full flight. We do need to have space in the overhead bins for the larger roll-aboard items. We will have to take backpacks down to find space. Once again, if you're traveling with a backpack, please put those underneath the seat in front of you.
I'm bitching. That means some money on the floor. Oh yeah. You would have been straight though.
Oh.
I had made sure you had your leg long. I don't ever sleep on you.
I go to sleep soon.
I thought about it on this one, but normally, well, I take that back. I fall asleep in a minute too. Fell asleep on the way from Atlanta a couple weeks.
Got family in Miami.
My mother and them coincidentally taking a cruise. Skyami. Finna let it be known what it is. You know? So, got everything we need. Shouldn't be coming up short. 5 in my yo, man. Just gonna let the TV in the building, man. And we coming with good vibes. It's on the floor. You did? Miami-Dade County, what it do? In my yo. We in that building, man. What's that word? We're gonna get this, you know what I mean? We're gonna get it by hook or crook. Leave that. You know, we all the way in that good building. You know, like they say on that sign, travel smart out here. Trying to get y'all unthinkable, man. We're trying to get y'all from MIA down to downtown. We're trying to get from MIA to downtown. Yeah, we in the process of getting from. We're gonna show y'all today how to get from MIA Airport. You did
baggage claim there.
To downtown, but I'm going in Wynnwood, so I got to tap back in because I don't really know where I'm going, and I'm gonna have to pop back. You know what I mean? But we on the floor, so we in that building. Yeah, we trying to beat the odds. We trying to find our way from. Yeah. Havana collection, what it do? I will be down at the mine, little Havana, so I might cop some, you know. Fire, my yayo looking real good. My yayo looking real good, man. It's on the floor. When you get here, you definitely go there, yeah. You gotta find out where this MIA move is. Once you find out, and this is supposed to take us. It's supposed to take us where we need to go. So I'm gonna keep y'all updated, and we should be on our way to Central. You know, we should be on our way to Central. Yeah, man, like I say, in my yo nights, man, it's feeling real good out here. You know, I got a hoodie on flying in from Michigan, but we gonna take this off fast. You know what I mean? And we gonna get where we gotta go. You know, the MIA move will take us everywhere we gotta go. It's gonna be. Y'all getting this exclusive. You gotta come on the 3rd floor of the airport when you get here. That's the thing. If you're riding, you definitely wanna get off on your plane and you wanna come to the 3rd floor of the airport. And when you get to the 3rd floor of the airport, you'll be closer to the people moving. And it's going down. You know what I mean? For real. Hungry, huh? But I'm gonna be back at y'all in a minute. Right now we're boarding the people moving. Sorry about that. Oh, you guys. Just like the guy said, you gotta get all these people moving. And take you where you gotta get. And just like the guy said, it's definitely free. So you get off on the airport, you go to the people mover. So you're gonna see how it goes. I'm attempting to get to my hotel from here with public transportation, so we're gonna see how it go, man. Today is April 11th, 2026 at 8:38. And I'm gonna tell y'all how long it took. And this will be on their people moving, man. So far they doing me good. Hey man, so far so good, man. The people mover brought me to a little spot. Yeah, so that people mover took me to the thing, and now we up here at the Miami-Dade transit bus. I'm finna catch this bus one stop up, and we finna get to that room, man. And I get to that room, gonna get back out, probably pull up, man, and we gonna get it popping, man. We gonna give y'all some of the best footage y'all done had in a while, man. Courtesy of Michigan Legend TV. You know what they say. If it don't shine in the dark, it ain't real. We're gonna give y'all some of the best footage y'all had, man, courtesy of Michigan Legend TV. And when we get up in the morning, man, you should be seeing palm trees and breakfast. We're gonna get it cracking, man. Man, we almost ran late, man. We had to hop on that joint at the last minute. We headed to the hotel. We shouldn't be too far. Once we get there, we're gonna get on the road, man. It's been rough. We're gonna make it happen, man. Say Michigan Legend TV. Best of the best. Trying to make a metro rail and all together, we're gonna spend $4.50 from the airport to the hotel. Something slow. Tag in, like, subscribe.
At the light, take a right on Northwest 28th Street.
I got the liquor store. Let's see, I got a dollar store right there.
In 150 feet, the destination is on your right.
It's on the floor. Man, it done happened, man. We touched Miami in a major way, man. They done showed love already. God just gave me a free dinner. You did? Free dinner, bro. And I'm walking up here to the walking up here to one of my favorites. We on North 28th Street. You know what I mean? I think this called Wynnwood. And we right over here by Jean's Liquor. And right now we going inside of a dollar store trying to get blessed. We're gonna get ourselves some blessings. What's up, my baby? How much? We're in that South Beach this time. You know what I mean? We're gonna get everything we need before we get low. You know, I see the 24-hour smoke shop over there. You know what I mean? 24-hour smoke shop. Man, we're gonna be living good out here, man. We're gonna probably be out here for a minute. I'm gonna be honest with you.
I'm just trying to avoid wifey. My girl, oh man, shit. That shit more dangerous in the streets right now.
Yeah.
That shit more pressure.
What happened? Huh?
What, you gonna put your car?
Yeah, I already did.
No, it hasn't ready. You gotta leave it on top.
Michigan Legend T, where we at, man?
Oh, God.
we down here in that
No.
We down here in that real Miami. MIA, 305 MIA. If you around tomorrow, I'm gonna put you in something. I say it's about to be Tito's, baby. Out here, you know, to find me a look. What's the name? Not too far. You know what I mean? We out here. Oh, I was saying, baby, it's about to be Tito's. You know what I mean? Had found a little liquor store. Just out here cool, you know. Man, I'm finna hit you. I had fucked around and caught a crazy deal on the road. I'm talking about the craziest deal I ever seen. I'll tell you about it.
construction building, I work there.
No, for sure. Yeah, we down there tapped in, got the rib down here with the real. Tell them, say something to Michigan Legend TV, man. We down here with the real ones down in Florida. Yeah.
Oh, Dade County.
Dade County. What they talking about?
MIA.
Yeah, MIAO. You know, 305 MIAO. We tapping in. If he be around tomorrow, man, you know. Yeah, man, already. We out here, you dig? Got that, you know what I mean? Ha! You know how they love that. And y'all know when I touch back to Michigan, it's on the flow. So y'all, you know, miss me when I'm gone. I'm gonna tap back in. We just out here on the late night, man. They don't sleep up here. It's 11 o'clock. We still out here pulled up. What they talking about? We ain't gonna talk too much on this one, though. We gonna keep this shit real authentic. Sipping me a little iced tea. It's on the flow. Man, I got Cuban news. It's a little...
Pull up and say, what the fuck you doing? I'm looking for a nigga that's driving, I'm a fuck.
Yeah?
How big I got ready. But this time he got me like he even made me buy me soda, bro. Is that right here, bro? He throw my shit in the bike, bro. I drive over here right today. I'm a cop, bro. I'm pulling up on the mama, bro. It hurts me because I used to buy and play your food on everywhere and say him hot on my fucking plate. A nigga and give him half of my fucking food hit the streets. But you gonna try me like that, nigga? Come on, man. You got shit hit me more, so I'm gonna hit him harder, bro. Le voy a dar más duro porque me duele. Le voy a dar más duro porque yo me quedo yo y
Oh yeah, okay. Well, we back starting off.
Later on, then he got a partner. That's why
We got Mr. Miami and Mr. Legend TV. Get some hometown
check right quick.
Wynnwood boys.
Y'all finna be cutting something. We ain't finna be out.
Spades to the board, so that I let him peep my hand. He a real poker player.
That brother nine.
He a real poker player because he peeped me. I ain't, whoever played that a bad joint. Mr. Miami and Michigan Legend TV against the Wynnwood boys. Spell 5 in my shit.
Okay.
You put in trunks.
Ooh, that's why I was doing that.
Trunks, my bad.
That's why I was doing that. I need to see some collapsing going on.
All right, we got the clubs to the board.
Play it.
Veteran now. I'm trying to tell you now. This ain't no amateur night at the Apollo going on,
Getting
man.
some shit popping. Me and Mr. MIAO himself.
I got you just in case. Okay, you better spend that money.
Ooh, they catch you one.
You ain't got too much more money, though.
Oh no. Oh, y'all call me slipping once. Won't do it again,
man. That's why I got a partner over there.
Won't do it again.
They ain't sync with each other.
Yeah.
This the M's going on, Michigan, Miami, man.
For sure.
I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just jump Judy anyway. I'm gonna send her out there to get some money. Oh, you still cutting, man? That's your last
Y'all can see that board is getting tricky.
The counting. You feel me?
I gotta get mine.
Oh, wait,
hold on. What happened to the board?
You got a heart. You can play hard.
He's saying when I ain't
you gonna put all the teams together then.
Say less.
Let's play, partner.
I just want to win.
Go ahead.
It's another one. There you go.
Hold on, man. We got
yes,
this.
sir.
Come
on, man. This how we doing it, man. This y'all see.
So we got the
We
one.
in that building, man. What's that word? Michigan Legend TV in the building. So what's that score?
1-0. Oh, the way.
Oh.
Play 6 up. We count all the books.
Okay, so we might be playing 3 out of. We call that 2 out of 3.
35 or 50. What do you call it? 35 $5 or $50. We're making a good
Yeah. Well, we look like we up.
Billy, you gotta count them trunks. You gotta count what's on the board. Whatever's gone.
I don't
Now you gotta estimate what they got.
I count every suit.
Me
So
too,
talking
because I made 4 off a humbug.
I count every suit.
I made 4 off some crap.
I'll turn another suit in the spade, just like we just turned them clubs into a truck.
Come on.
But what happened? Somebody peeped my move when I threw off on that. Because if I was paying attention, I would.
Both of us was cutting anyway. So you peeped that both of us was cutting. Yeah. So now I'm glad you cut on that second round, because if you wouldn't have cut, now we would have been in trouble. Yeah. Because I ain't having no spades. I tried to get what I could get out the way. For sure.
Well, that was off instinct, because I was fucking with that camera. Man, you know, we in that MIA, yo. I want to keep, you know what I mean? We in that MIA, yo. I want to definitely win. And I'm going on that millionaire cruise tomorrow.
No, keep going.
Yeah, keep going. That look, y'all can have that look. You know what I mean?
Hold on, man. If you going on a cruise on the yacht,
yeah,
because you know what,
I'm going on a millionaire cruise.
My homeboy is doing the catering. If I ain't mistaken, they just were telling me about you will start at 3 o'clock or 3:30 or something like that.
Pick time.
My homeboy was just telling me that he's doing a thing tomorrow. They catering. He do catering.
I gotta go to Bayside and get bored. I got it off.
Now we back to bed.
What's that site? I got it off one of them sites. Oh, hold on. We'll talk later, bro. So I'm just. Oh no, it's cooch. And a good Tito. Yeah. That's that boy over there, man. MIA, yo, in the view. MIA, yo. Michigan Legend TV, what y'all thinking, man?
What you got, partner?
By the time I put this out, boy, I'm gonna try to get you 3.
You got 3? Hold on. You got 3.
I say I'm gonna try to get you 3.
You gonna get 3.
Yeah, for sure. That word, you right. Man, I was talking to myself about that earlier. Quit using that word. You absolutely correct.
8, man. We ain't gonna play no games. If my partner get in 3, we gonna get 8.
If you go at 8, you should have went the dub.
Nah, I really had to say it, but
I got 3.
Hey,
you gonna push
MIAO's on, man. We gonna get this shit.
Let's get back to today. Shouts out to my daughter, baby. Don't worry, I'm daddy coming in a second.
Let's get back to that board, because we want to win. We definitely want to win. We against them Wynnwood boys, man. Wynnwood. I'm sorry, I apologize. Wynnwood.
Nah, Wynnwood is new. That boy from the powder. He used to call this the powder.
All right, it's on me.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, no, it's on me actually.
Yeah.
So that's the worst place. So you really don't want it to be on me. So I'm coming out jacking moves off top.
Yeah.
Don't get no cheap coochie now. Everything them come.
Once we get rid of it, it's gonna get cut.
You better believe it. Don't play no games, man.
I did not even count that.
Long as you
So that one I got right there is one I just I took that one. I did not count any of that shit. So I already counted. I did count none of that shit. Come on, bring it on.
Oh yeah, you get that.
Look, there's another one I didn't count on.
So you gotta have 2, bro. You can get it cheap. He got that one cheap. Clubs led.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
I
ain't got nothing for it. Yeah, for sure. But we coming in there. We in that building though. You did? All right. You know what? Let's see what you talking about.
Gripping ain't easy, man.
Sometimes you gotta make it work.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna make it work. This is what I do.
Just don't come back.
You know what? Whoever couldn't just get it on, man. Whoever couldn't get it on. You live with Spades with Michigan Legend TV, man. We way down in Wynnwood 305 with this shit. MIA, yo. What up, Ross? Gunplay.
You did good. You did really good by Landlow.
Briscoe.
Real good. That was the smartest move you did, but I know something. You trying to cut something, so let me see another spade check. Oh, hey, that's the man, mama. I've been waiting on. Now watch this. Boom.
That's the name of the game.
There go that man,
Tron.
mama.
Tron, homie.
Spade.
Dude, come on. Really?
Spade's the name of the game.
That's the suit I needed.
Hey, clubs lead. I'm gonna have to get that one
Let's go.
for sure. I gotta put that back on. Let me put that back on the board. We me and Miss. Hey, let Mr. Miami shine, man.
Hey, let me see a spade check one time.
Let him shine. Let's get back to the board.
And
Who is on?
Spades.
You.
On you.
Ain't nothing popping.
Okay, I'll tell you what.
You got your hand.
Y'all remember them?
Oh,
I'm
yeah,
actually
that boy.
Hold on,
called.
I'm actually do you remember them right there.
That boy called.
Oh,
Hold on.
hey.
My extra ball.
What you got? What you got? Come on with it.
Oh, remember those?
Oh, Lord.
Remember those? Oh, come
The
on.
one right there, that book.
Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus.
That's the one that book right there.
That definitely
say,
put
huh?
us. That put us in a bind, man. That put us in a bind.
Hey, man, one thing about it, we ain't heard
Hey, what we can say about that, man?
I did us back in the game.
We should have went that 7, man.
I told you I was pushing it with that.
No, because my 3 was I was counting.
You what he was doing, right?
I was counting.
But
you know we got to go for what we know.
So now
once you run out of space, whatever he throws, control.
We got to go for what we know.
I only had a few space.
How you feeling about that win, man? How you feeling about that win?
Well, I'm feeling pretty good, you know.
All right, yeah. They got us, man. Garbage can, you know what I mean? Garbage can get a steak every now and then. We're going to be all right.
We pulled that out by the skin of our
But
teeth.
you know, it was just a little live space. We lost that game. I'm going to tap out, tune in, get back at y'all, man. Michigan Legend TV, man. 305 in my yayo with this. Yeah, we coming in, man. We going to get this last hand. It ain't on you, my baby. We coming in. We finna get this last hand, man. Michigan Legend TV.
Too, man, so y'all can see how we bounce
Michigan
back.
Legend TV, man, and Mr. Miami, man. We in the building, so we finna go in, man. Y'all finna watch it. And this my hand. We gonna get this shit.
The thing space gotta be broken first.
Yeah.
All right, we in the building. Oh, who broke them?
That's the first hand. That's only the first hand.
Who led?
I did.
They put in trunks already.
I can't let nobody get nothing. I got to do that one. Michigan Legend TV in the building. Oh, I can't show it to the camera.
Since you got
No, we ain't gonna do what I do. We gonna do it how we do it. I'm gonna get my little couple and we gonna get up out the building, man. You know what I mean? We got Michigan Legend TV and Mr. Miami's on over there against Wynnwood. You know what I mean? Them boys. You got another name for it. We don't know it yet. Hold on, they got one. They got one. Hold on, we can't read
one thing about pimping. One thing about pimping ain't easy. When you pimp ours, we gonna pimp yours.
Man, say it.
Come on, man. Let's
Say it. Hold on, I gotta keep the eye on the table too. Cause we definitely gotta get. We went 10, so that means we gotta get 10. If y'all don't see 10 right there, we lost. Right now we got 2. Right now we got 2. He laid out with clubs. I would show y'all my hand, but the camera. He laid out with the joints though. I'm gonna try to let them get they 2. I'm gonna go out and they didn't even get it. They couldn't even get 2. They couldn't even get 2. Look what I got, y'all. They couldn't even get 2. We back to the board. We went that joint. I ain't gonna let it ride. I'm cutting them. I'm gonna say it loud. James Brown. Okay, we coming back. I'm gonna come. 1. That's ours?
No.
Oh, so we got 2. Ooh, we need all that. Oh! Hold on, we might need all these. Let me put this bullshit on. Hold on.
What's that? My car.
Hey, we need all these, man. This shit done got spooky. It done got spooky. Nah, it done got spooky, partner. Wow, we need all these. Hey, we need all these, y'all. And I got them. I'm on their ass. Excuse my French. Unfortunately not.
That was my book anyway. Your play.
And now I got to go and get you where it hurt. I got to get you. I can't let it happen. We can't go out like that. Nah, just bring them all on home. Just bring them all on home. Just bring them all home. I want them all home. That's all. We just want them all home. I ain't gonna stop. We ain't done. We ain't done. This is what Michigan Legend TV do. We ain't done. Oh, so y'all ain't got no more? You might got another one. Do you got another one?
That's what I got.
It doesn't matter about that.
Do you? If he got another one, we said I'm gonna come with that King of Heart, my baby, because he played that. He played that hard. You know that's what we do around here, man. We run Boston's around here, man. Michigan Legend TV.
No, I was gonna show them what it's.
Nah, it wasn't gonna be no problem, Mr. Miami, man. We ain't gonna lose. We ain't come down here to lose. We come down here to win, man. That's what we do.
You gotta get back.
And that's that scope.
Back.
Ran that Boston on Mr. Miami, man. We do. Wow. All right, well, say less. And we'll holler back.